And the Reggae Girlz are now en route to Australia ahead of their group games in the FIFA Women's World Cup. The Jamaicans will all be in Melbourne by July 12, Australia time.
There were claims and counterclaims regarding issues surrounding the national senior women's football team's travel to Australia as they look ahead to their second appearance at the FIFA showpiece. Last week, reports emerged that the Federation was having problems securing business class tickets for the team, but the JFF fended off those claims, insisting that they were arranging a charter flight to prevent the team from being split. In the end, though, the team will be traveling in groups, with the first group of 6 already in Australia. With the change in travel arrangements, those 6 players arrived in Melbourne on Monday. The others will arrive in groups between July 11 and July 12 Australia time.
The girls are actually either in Australia now or on their way to Australia, right? So all of them are there, and we did it without any GoFundMe support, right? Very importantly to understand, right? Primarily, the sponsors who have come on, the sponsors who were there before, the FIFA has funded a significant amount of the travel. And the Bob Marley Foundation has been instrumental in assisting us financially and also from the logistics support. And that's where it has come from.
The girls are traveling business class from Amsterdam in the Netherlands, where they were based in a 1-week Adidas-sponsored training camp. The Reggae Girlz will play a friendly international against Morocco on July 16. They will start their World Cup campaign against France on July 23, then face fellow CONCACAF team Panama on July 29, and close out their group fixtures on August 2 against Brazil. Karen Matten, TVJ Sports.